there! Today we're going to be discussing advanced manual options. Unito's default features covers the majority of use cases. However, in a couple small instances, we offer a way to add an advanced option to go around the expected behavior. So for example, in your rules here, the expected behavior is that if an item does not abide by the rules, then the copy of said item will be archived. However, if you do not want that item archived, we do have an option that allows you to get around that. We also have an option to change the preferred time zone, as well as limit how far back our system looks for changes in order to reduce slowness. So all of these options can be handled by adding an advanced manual option. So to do this, you'll just want to go to any one of your flows and you'll be in overview by default. So you'll just want to click on advanced options. Over here, you'll see a section called advanced features. Now you'll just need to go to our Help Center and locate the article, A Guide to Advanced Manual Options. This will provide you with an outline of all the advanced manual options you can do from your end. So for example, we're going to show you what onFilterOut does. As explained here, when a work item is filtered out, we automatically archive the copy. So it's to avoid clutter, but maybe you just want the item to stay on the other side, even though it may be unsynced. It explains a bit more of the behavior, and then you'll have the JSON, which is the script right here, that you'll want to copy and paste. So I'm going to grab this, and then I'm going to go back to my flow, and I'm going to paste it right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click Save, and only for new issues just to test it out. You can tell that this has been applied properly because it's still there after I've saved. You want to make sure that you don't add any extra spaces or add any extra characters, because if you do, the script will not save and the change will not be applied as it cannot be read by the system. So let's refresh just to double check. And perfect, here it is. So that was how to apply a JSON or an advanced manual option by yourself. There are some advanced options that we offer that we'll need to go ahead and do from our end, as they'll be a bit more specific on your setup. If you read one of these and realize that you would like this installed on your system, you'll just be able to go ahead and contact our product team, and we'll be happy to help you out with that. Thanks for following along.